welcome back to another episode of Montego Baby's Jamaican Cuisine. Today what we are dealing with some curry goat on a Sunday evening, you see it? We are dealing with some nice curry goat and we are dealing with it with some white rice. Can't bother with the gungo and the red peas right about now. We are trying to make it quick, kind of later on in the afternoon. So we'll try to deal with it fast. But we'll deal with it with some butter beans still same way. So you still have a bean component in the curry goat itself. So you know, it's a little spin on the normal way they normally do it. You know, some people like it with some potato. You know, some people like it with them spinners, which will probably throw a couple spinners in the same way. But you know, we'll deal with it with the butter bean and see it come out. So just join me for a little adventure here again and me show you what I go on. One look. Alright, so we have a curry goat here already ready to go. Basically the goat already seasoned. Season it with some salt. You know, some pepper, sea salt that is, some little bit of onion powder, little bit of cayenne pepper, and then we throw some pimento seed inside of that and make it go and sit down for a little bit, you see me? So we're ready for kind of throw it on the stove, you know. But aside from that, you know, so we have a butter bean here. We're not dealing with no canned butter bean thing, we are dealing with the natural hard butter bean where we have a pressure down ourselves, you see me? So this I had soaking in some water, that's why them look kind of shrivel up. You know, try to soak them in a little bit of water to kind of get them, a little bit soft until we're really, ready for pressure it down. So, you know, that's why it look a little bit shrivel up. But otherwise, you know, I just the raw butter bean, no cook or nothing at all. We'll pressure it down with curry goat. See me? And then we have the onion here. We have a little bit of chayote or chocho. We'll put some carrot in there for some color. And then, you know, we have with garlic, with scallion and with thyme. Alright? So what we'll do now, we'll get the oil going and then we'll put a little bit of curry powder inside of that with some onion before we throw in with goat and lock him off and seal him up. You see me? So join me over on the stove and I'll show you what I go. Alright, so we're over here on the stove. We turn our stove on to medium high, make it heat up a little bit. And now we add some oil. If you want to do other oil, you can certainly use whatever oil you like, but me I use a little bit of olive oil in mine. Anything what consists of gravy, me always go the olive oil route, just for the simple fact that it's easy up on the stomach, you know. So I just add a little bit of oil in that. Now make that heat up a little bit. And then we'll kind of sweat the curry, you know, aka burn the curry as them call it in Jamaica. Sweat that little bit. So the pot will kind of get heated enough, so we'll go on and add a little bit of curry inside of that. So we'll do this for kind of give it a good coating, you know, kind of release all its natural beautiful flavor. That I go and get happy a little bit. So while that I get happy, we'll add a little bit of onion and make that go and fry out. Okay. Like sweat the curry with little onion, it gives a lot of good flavor, you know. All these things you tried before you put your pressure cooker top on. That way the flavor will more enhance. Curry flavor that is. See me? I really have to do this a long time still, just wait for a little bit. Again, if you want to get full measurements and all these things, just check in the description. You can go ahead and join my Patreon, give full instruction and also the full recipe. So, just sweat that a little bit for a really long time. Maybe just enough kind of coat the bottom of the pot. Next thing we are adding our curry. I already have some pimento seed inside of the seasoned curry, inside of the seasoning with the goat. Go ahead and add that in there. Kind of mix this around a little bit. Most of the pot high and you can't really see what's going on really well, but camera person I try them best, you know. You know, we kind of mix it around. Try make the curry we put in the oil coat the goat best as you can. Yeah. Actually, it already smell good. Yeah. One thing with curry, man, I don't know if I did just because of the Indian in the blood, but I tell you, in time I smell curry, man, you just spidey senses are tingling. All it's saying is flavor, eat, flavor, eat. Alright. So that's sweat. To me right now, that's sweat enough. So we'll add water and add the rest of it stuff them on top of that. I'm gonna go and get my water here really fast. 1 second. Alright, so I'll go ahead and add the water in, you know. Beautiful. You have a nice piece of curry. You have a nice piece of goat, it not really take too long to cook, you understand? So I'm do, you know, I'm adding my scallion on top of this. Add my piece of thyme. And then I'll add my garlic. What I do, I kind of crush the garlic, so just kind of squeeze it and leave it whole like this. And if you want to cut it up small, it's up to you. I kind of like this method. And also, we are going to add with butter bean. Since this is not cooked, it's going to pressure down with the goat. Understand? Throw all that in that. Right? Kind of mix that in, make that put on the bottom. Good, looking good. Alright. Beautiful. What we'll do is we'll add the top. Okay, my thing I love being trouble, so. Alright, seal that off. That's a bouncy. Alright, everything seal off, you know. So we'll go on and make this heat up and go on pressure for a little while. Once it's fully pressured, we'll go ahead and pull it and finish and give it the finishing touches, okay? So check back with me in a little bit. Alright, family, so we'll pull off the top. Everything looking beautiful. Butter bean cook, meat cook. So we'll just add the finishing touches right now and bring it home. Alright? So I'm add a little bit more onion to this right now. Still upon medium high, we'll probably will turn it down a little bit. So we don't get it boil out all the gravy, you know what I mean? So 1 step above medium, right about now. Since it's a bubble right now and hot. Alright. So while that's going, I'll be add a little bit of bouillon to that. Mix that in. So the bouillon always give it the final touch on the back end. Yeah. You know, add a little bit of salt. We didn't add a lot before. Add a little bit more. Alright. Beautiful. Alright. So we'll turn this down. We'll turn it down all the way, like I said, a little bit above medium right about now. And then we'll kind of get everything ready here. I'll add a couple of spinners to this and bring it to them. Alright? So give me a few minutes. Let me get the spinners ready so I can add that in to finish this off. Alright. Alright, so we have the spinners made up here, so we'll drop in with chocho. Drop in with 2 little pieces of carrot. Mix that in. I turn the stove down all the way to about medium. I'll make it finish off the cooking process. Turn it really low. Understand? When I really want to probably lose no more gravy right about now. So everything kind of looking beautiful. We don't know, we'll add a couple spinners in this. We'll cover this and make it steam down completely, you understand? So make a little small batch of spinners. You don't really want a whole lot since you have your since you already have your butter bean inside there. You don't really need a whole lot of this. Really, this is basically if you're a man who loves spinners like me and you want a few in the fit, kind of carry everything off, you understand? But you really don't need the spinners. But you know, yard man style, we always like a few, so ain't nothing wrong with it. So rub up a few little spinners that we may have and get them all finished up. And one thing I'm do too, one thing with curry, you always want to add a little piece. You always want a little piece of ginger to kind of finish things off, you understand? Make it easy on the stomach. But that's one thing I want to mention as well. You want a little bit of ginger to this to kind of finish it off. So everything pretty much up on its final course here. We almost reach land, you understand? So I'm gonna go and finish this off here, and then we are going to add a little piece of ginger and let this go and steam out a little bit more until all them little things are finished cook. You understand? So just check back with me here in a minute. Red. Done, we done. You see that? Everything finished. Me I tell you, say boy, it tastes sweet. You know, like me never really do it with the butter beans before, but that little experiment here really kind of pay off. You know what I mean? So everything kind of smooth and creamy and nice, just like how you want your just like how you want your curry goat. You know what I mean? You don't want oily business. You want nice, rich sauce. You know what I mean? So take a look and see what I got. So you know everything finished here. Now you have your thick gravy here. Not really as thick to a boy. I say boy, man. You know you can't manage. Really nice, succulent. Little white rice on the side. So it was another wonderful experience, family. I tell you the truth, both for me and you. You know what I mean? Because I witness some of them things sometime. Just look on them things and just remember about yard and say boy, you know, miss some of these good food, these natural food. I tell you sometimes is a blessing. So just give thanks again for tuning in. And like me say, me like keep it short and sweet at the end. So one love, more love, righteousness. Montego Bailey signing out. Bless.